Hey there, here we go. This is my Kia Optima 2011 SX Turbo, and I can show you a few things inside. And this will be quite interesting because the inside of this car, very European look, a lot of German things, but most importantly, start button. Let's close the door, it's very hot outside. Look, it doesn't look like a sort of Volkswagen or BMW stuff. If we turn the radio on, all these red and pretty cool stuff. Serious controls on the steer. Oh, this song is nice. Alright, pretty cool. A lot of controls on the steering wheel. So we have audio system, navigator, phone interaction, econometer, and trips settings. If you can see there, at the moment I have that my average fuel economy is on 22.5 miles per gallon, and then when I switch other buttons I can see other stuff like instant fuel economy, average speed when you traveling or do whatever, elapsed time 4 minutes 23 from I don't know when, I have to figure out yet. External temperature is 86 degrees in Florida today, Tampa Bay, sunny Florida, that's pretty nice. And I set my internal thing at 68, which is nice, and it's working cool. Although it's a black car, cools down right away. So what else? We have distance to service, we have trip A. So far I got the car and I made 35.4 miles. I mean, it has 116 miles in total, but only 35 belongs to me, and you know what? I'm very happy so far. So, the other interesting thing here is the dual air conditioning system. This one I can control both, but if my passenger is not happy, at that point can set his own air conditioning. The stereo system has everything. It has FM, SM, satellite, CD, auxiliary, other setup stuff, and USB connectivity. I don't know if you can see it down there. USB connectivity, 3.5 millimeters jack for any kind of connection like iPod or whatever, and automatic or manual with the shifters here, minus and plus. So like Formula 1, oh my god, I just have to pay attention with this stuff. Okay, that's it. Pretty nice inside, cool air conditioning, a lot of gadgets, beautiful instruments. I'm freaking happy. It's a way step ahead from that crappy Civic I got. Honda is dead for me. I hope you enjoyed. This is the new Kia Optima SX Turbo. Bye!